Welcome to Immigration Question News. Do you have an immigration question? Post your immigration question free and get answers from a licensed immigration attorney.
Good day and welcome. Here are this week's hot headlines on today's Cold Coffee. Grab your cup of coffee and let's dive in. This week unfolded under the shadow of escalating immigration enforcement in Minnesota, where a fatal Border Patrol shooting continued to ripple across courts, communities, and national politics. Early in the week, a federal judge ordered the Department of Homeland Security to preserve evidence linked to the killing of Alex Pretty, blocking any alteration or destruction of materials as state and local officials raised concerns about transparency and access. The ruling intensified scrutiny of federal operations in Minneapolis and added momentum to calls for accountability. As the days progressed, the Minneapolis shootings pushed President Trump's immigration crackdown into the national spotlight. Political reactions sharpened, with Senate Democrats threatening to block DHS funding unless enforcement reforms are adopted. At the same time, public opinion showed signs of shifting. A new national poll indicated slipping approval for the administration's immigration approach, particularly among independents, as concerns grew over the use of force and oversight. Midweek also brought legal and diplomatic developments beyond Minnesota. A federal judge halted DHS plans to strip legal status from thousands of migrant families, while Ecuador lodged a formal protest after an ICE incident at its Minneapolis consulate. International pressure mounted as UN experts criticized the US decision to end legal aid for unaccompanied migrant children. By week's end, courts delivered mixed signals nationwide. An appeals court ruled the Trump administration unlawfully ended TPS protections for Venezuelans, while internal guidance revealed ICE directing Minnesota officers to avoid protesters and narrow arrests to individuals with criminal histories. Together, these developments underscored a week marked by legal pushback, political strain, and growing debate over the future of US immigration enforcement. For the latest immigration news, download the free immigrationquestion.com app or visit our website. Post your immigration questions for free and get answers from licensed attorneys.
Do you have an immigration question? Visit immigrationquestion.com. Register for free. Post your immigration question free. Get your answer from a licensed immigration attorney. Download the Immigration Question app and post your immigration question free.